Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing another book review. So this one is a vintage, very vintage book. It's called One Morning in Maine by Robert McCloskey. Okay, the book measures 11.5 by almost 9. It has a 1/2-inch spine, and here's the back. Looks like this was a library discarded book. What a shame. So I'm glad I rescued it. Somebody took it to the thrift store. So one thing I wanted to point out is it has like a textured cover. And it's a beautiful teal. I just love it. As soon as I saw the color, I grabbed it because I knew it would be more of a vintage book. All right, let's take a look. So, let's take a look here. 1952 by the Viking Press. Look at this already. It looks like it had tape on here at once, so it's pretty cool. I love that. Third printing, 1954, yep. So I just want to pop through this book. This looks like a book that I'm going to read. It just looks fascinating. And it's all like in a black and white. Not even a black and white, it's more of like a gray sketch. I just love the pictures. The illustrations are just beautiful. So I kind of already thought, look at the loon, I kind of already thought that I would make this into a journal using this entire book pages, and then pages in between I would use as plain paper. So this would be like a storybook journal. I don't know if there's such a thing, but kind of like a little golden book where you keep all of the story pages intact, but I wouldn't add all of these other types of book pages or like music paper and such. I would actually make it a storybook with a journal within. So I think I will put pages in between that are nothing but writing pages. So I think that would just be really cool. But anyways, this is that book. And if you like it, now you know what the inside looks like. So One Morning in Maine by Robert McCloskey. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.